Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay November 17, 2022, Thursday. At 38 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayo at welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa NLEX Connector Road ng Metro Pacific. At yun po ang ating featured news. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa stock market o sa wealth management, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Maya-maya lamang ay babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, November 17, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Puntahan muna natin ang ating financial headlines at ito po ay galing ng BDO Securities. Deficit to GDP ratio eases to 6.5% in the third quarter. Department of Energy removes foreign ownership restrictions for renewable energy projects. Spot prices ease in early November. Ito po yung spot electricity market na binibila ng mga power suppliers, no? NLEX Connector, Caloocan, Espanya segment set to open in December. Ito po yung ating main news. SMPH or SM Prime Holdings to open SM Tugigaraw City. So pang ilang mall na ito? 87th or 82nd mall in the Philippines, no? SM Tugigaraw. Puntahan muna natin ang ating financial headlines. NLEX Connector Caloocan, Espanya set to open. NLEX announced on Wednesday that the Caloocan, Espanya segment of its Connector Road project is now more than 90% complete and can be open to motorists in December this year. This project augurs well for the transport industry as we expect trucks to have easier access to trading centers in Central and Northern Luzon without having to squeeze through congested roads in Metro Manila. NLEX President and General Manager Luigi L. Bautista said in the first Transport Con Forum in Pasay City, the first two sections, that is from Caloocan to Espanya, is more than 90% complete and can be opened next month, he added. The 23.3 billion 8-kilometer connector road project, on which construction started in May 2019, is an all-elevated 4-lane toll expressway extending NLEX southward from the end of segment 10 in C3 Road Caloocan City to Santa Mesa, Manila, and connecting to the Skyway Stage 3, mostly along the route of the Philippine National Railways rail line. Ito po yung bumabaybay sa Philippine National yung release ng tren, no, ng PNR. So kung mapapansin po ninyo, kung napapadaan po kayo sa Espanya, di Masalang o kaya Blooming Treat, makikita po ninyo yung structure doon ng Metro Pacific Skyway, no? Well, it's not, ang term is not the Skyway but the connector road linking from the NLEX to the SLEX. When completed, the project is expected to cut travel time from the South Luzon Expressway to NLEX from 2 hours to 20 minutes and reduce travel time from Clark to Calamba from about 3 hours to 1 hour and 40 minutes. The project is expected to benefit at least 35,000 motorists or vehicles per day and improve connectivity between the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, and Clark Airports. NLEX Corp said its NLEX Transport Con is envisioned to be institutionalized as an annual event with the aim of tackling business continuity challenges, growth opportunities, and emerging trends relevant to the and beneficial to the transport sector. NLEX Corp is part of Metro Pacific Tollways Corp, the tollway unit of Metro Pacific Investment Corp. So mamaya po tingnan po natin ang Metro Pacific on how it is doing. Natanggal po siya sa MCSI Mid Large Cap Index and was reclassified as a small cap. Okay, so right now, i-check po natin ang inyong mga comments, and I saw one comment here mula kay Fernando Dumok. Sabi niya, Sir, what is driving the upward trend of Converge? What happens to stock price of Converge when it will be removed from the MCSI Big Cap as a result of rebalancing by end of November? Okay, I think na-discuss ko na po ito noong 3 or 4 episodes ago. But just to answer your question, tignan natin si Converge, Sandali lang, tignan natin siya. Converge. Si Converge ay umaakyat siya. Ayan, So, kahapon, ang closing price po niya ay 1508 ang closing price niya. So what happens to the stock price of Converge when it will be removed from the MPSI Big Cap as a result of the rebalancing? Okay, to answer your question, unang-una, mapapansin po ninyo, pababa po si Converge since July, And this is because of market sentiment. Kaya siya bumababa. And in September, there were rumors na ito ay matatanggal na sa MSCI Index. Ito yung Morgan Stanley Capital Index. It's a private index. Hindi po tulad ng PSCI na public, Pero private index po ito na mini-maintain ni Morgan Stanley on emerging markets like the Philippines. Ngayon, nung nagkaroon ng news na magkakaroon siya ng rebalancing, na price in na po yan ng market, pinrice in na po niya yung rebalancing na yon. Meaning, from the large mid-cap index, na-relegate siya to the small cap index. But this was already taken in or priced in by the market. If you take a look at the earnings, lumabas po yung earnings report noong November, mid-November, Kasabay po ng announcement of the rebalancing, and now, based on the third quarter earnings, kumikita po siya. And the market realized that Converge is undervalued. So makikita po ninyo, several times po siya nag-hit ng oversold level based dito sa technicals. And because of that, when the market realized that Converge was already very cheap, they began buying. Yan po. It's more of market sentiment. Dito po, At saka dito. Plus, the effect of the earnings. Third quarter earnings of Converge made it very attractive. Though, na-reclassify siya as to the small cap index ng MCSI, ay attractive pa rin po si Converge. So, yun po ang dahilan kung bakit po siya umaakyat ngayon, sapagkat napaka-cheap po ng stock, and it's lower than the IPO price of 16 pesos when it debuted last year. Kaya siya umaakyat ngayon dahil strong naman po ang fundamentals niya at napaka-cheap, napaka-undervalued po ng stock. Yun po ang aking sagot. Okay po, Fernando, maraming salamat sa inyong tanong. So, let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on what transpired today. Okay. nag-gain po ang ating index ng 11.65 points. Nasa 6403.74 na, 0.18% ang akyat. So, almost flat, no? Ang kanyang akyat. So, mapapansin nyo po ng ating mga indicators, yung moving averages natin ay nasa ilalim na. Pati na po yung long-term 100 days exponential moving average ay nasa ilalim, meaning ng ating index ay paakyat, trending upwards. Ang ating market activity naman, 75 ang umabante, 83 kumpanya ang bumaba at 44 or 48 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index ay umakyat din ng 0.36%, slightly higher than the PSE index. Ang ating sectoral indices ay halo. Ang holding companies, industrials at properties ay umakyat, samantalang ang financials, mining at services ay bumaba. Pero ang sumutotal ay ang pag-akyat ng ating all-share at PSE index. Sa ating most active stocks, ito po ay pinangunahan ng URC, ALI at PDO. Pero tingnan po natin ang nag-figure out sa news kanina, ang Metro Pacific. Kaya hindi naman, tingnan na rin natin si URC, ALI, BDO, Converge at ABA. So, tingnan na po natin unahin natin si Metro Pacific. Si MPI ay doji. So, ended flat. Almost flat. 1 centavo up. Nasa 340. Pero overall, kung titignan niyo po yung chart ni Metro Pacific, since November 2021 ay slowly moving downwards. No? May period na moving sideways, but in effect ay pababa po ang chart ni Metro Pacific. And right now, nakikita ko pong support ay nandito sa 335. Samantalang ang nearest resistance nandito sa 371. Maaring epekto po ito ng pag-reclassify ng Metro Pacific from a large and mid-cap stock to a small capitalized stock sa Morgan Stanley. So next we have URC. Si URC ay paakyat si URC. In general, paakyat po siya, no? At nagkaroon po ng crossover po dito noong November 3 ng sunod-sunod na pag-akyat or surges, no? Ang una pong surge ay nangyari noong October 27 nung umakyat po ito ng 5.08%. Ang pangalawang surge ay nangyari noong November 4 nang umakyat po ito ng 5.68. At ngayon ay nagkaroon po ng breakout dito noong November 15 with volume. Nagkaroon ng one-day consolidation, then another continuation breakout. So, dalawa po ang naging breakouts ni URC. Kung nakikita niyo po ito. Ito po yung volume Yan pong dalawang yan. And nasa 132.20 na po siya with support here at 108. Ngayon po, hindi po nag-oversold or hindi po nagkaroon ng oversold level ang URC. Pero near oversold po siya noong September 28. So if you were able to catch this at the support level here, dito po, lagay natin dito, up to this point here, or 23 bars or 23 working days, nag-start po tayo ng unbuying closing price dito. It's 108. Pagkatapos niyan, after 23 working days, umakyat po siya sa 132 or mga 30%. Ulitin natin. Nawala. Yan, 31 or 22%. So yan po ang pinaka-support ni URC. And resistance, this is resistance level na po eh. Ito, yan. 129 to 130 po ang resistance level niya. Then, tingnan natin si Ayala Land is, yan, umakyat si Ayala Land. And, nandito na po siya, no? Bullish na po si Ayala Land dahil dito, ito po yung support niya. At meron po dito oversold level. Yan. Nung ang presyo po niya ay nasa 22.85. Closing price is 22.85. Nasa 28.50 na po. Pero hindi po to surge, ha? Hindi po to breakout. So, i-measure na natin yung rise ni Ali. Nandito na po siya sa 28.43 or 32 days, 32 working days. Umakyat po siya ng 25, almost 25%. So, after Ali, let's take a look at BDO. Si BDO ay meron po siya, nag-profit taking po siya dito. Karoon po siya ng profit taking at ngayon po ay bumaba po siya ng 50 centavos. Kahapon po ay bumaba po siya ng 3.73% or 5 pesos. So, bullish pa rin po si BDO dahil po ang ating mga candlesticks ay nasa ilalim pa rin. So, ang pinaka-resistance niya ay nandito sa 133 at ang pinaka-support niya ay nandito sa 122. Pero bullish pa rin po ang lagay ni BDO. Converge is next. Ito po yung natanggal sa index ng MSCI. Hindi naman natanggal kundi na-reclassify from large cap to small cap or mid cap to small cap. Nagkaroon siya ng hanging man today. Mukhang kasi ang hanging man po is not a good sign. May reversal po siya dito. Anyway, bullish po siya on the short and medium term but yung candlestick po niya ngayon is not a very good sign. But what can I say about this stock? Ay umaakyat po siya dahil maaring nagko-consolidate lang po siya ngayon dahil meron siyang hanging man. Pero in the past 2 days ay meron po siyang breakout with continuation. So maaring ito ay consolidation lang or nagpo-pullback lang po yung stock dahil it had reached oversold levels nung last days of September at another oversold level nung November 9. So I think it's moving upwards in spite of that red candlestick. 1164 po ang pinaka support and the resistance is here at 1710 to 1720. Finally, we have ABA. ABA is Abacor Capital Holdings is moving up, at nagkaroon siya ng overbought levels but still it moves up. General direction is or general trend is upwards. Nakikita niyo po yung black line na ito ay well under the candlestick. So, Abacor is bullish although nagkaroon po siya ng overbought levels twice, dito po nung September 2 hanggang September 12 and from October 20 to October 25 but still paakyat pa rin po siya. So ito po yung nagde-defy ng overbought signals, Kasi pagka overbought po may tendency po na overvalued po yung stock technically pero dinidefy po niya yun. So 2.27 po ang pinaka support ni Abacor while the resistance hindi po natin makuha ang resistance level dahil ito na po yung 52. Umabot na po siya ng 52 week high. nandito na po siya. So, support lang po ang may bibigay po natin at the moment. Okay, so yan po ating report sa stock market ika-17 ng Nobyembre. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.